It's your girl Asia. I do hair reviews and occasionally I do mom vlogs and motivational cleaning videos. What's up, you guys? So I have these twists in that I'm going to be reviewing today. Sorry I look rough, but yeah. I don't feel like doing my makeup right now, but my homegirl did the back of my hair and this color is so gorgeous. The back of my hair has been done for like 4 days. I just got over a cold, so yeah, I have to get back into the swing of things. But yeah, this is how they are looking. They are pretty long. They aren't heavy, but they have a little bit of weight to it. The company that sent this to me is, let me see, Leonier? Girl, I don't know, but yeah. And it came with, I think, 7 packs. Let me see. It says it on the bag. It says it's in the color T30 and T27. It's 24 inches long. Pack of 8. These are the Boho twist. So they just come in a big bag like this with a crochet needle, and then package like this. And I'm gonna tell you guys how many are in here. So it's about 12 in here, and they just come looped around this little thing right here, and you can see a loop and a twist. And then coming down towards the end, it has like a little knot right there, and then just curls. So this is how they look. So these come to my waist, and then when I stretch them, they do come down to my butt. So they are a pretty good length. It is a lot of hair, so you can really space these out if you need to. I can't really see the back, but you can go in and fill in these spaces. She just always leaves me with like 3 packs for the front, just in case. And then she goes back in and fills in the back, because I can't see that there. Always good to have a friend that can braid and, you know, crochet. Because every time I get some crochet, I'm like, girl, if you braid down the back of my head, can you please do the back, please? Pretty please. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I install these. Crochet is super easy. So just gonna show you guys the first couple of ones, and I'm gonna speed it up. So my boxes are like a mess because I've had this crochet pattern in for like, what, a month? A little longer than a month now, but yeah. So you want to have the latch closed, but sometimes it's open when I do it. And it can like snag and pick up other pieces of hair. That's why you want to have it closed. But you place the crochet inside of it, close the latch, slide that through, and then just push the latch forward. Put the end of it up there, just slide it on in. And then you want to make sure that knot is secured at the top. And I go in and do my boxes first because I like to see, you know, that I have enough hair. And then I just go back in and fill in the boxes with the hair that I have left over. And I did my boxes like steps, what is it, brick layer? You know how you do your braids? One here, one here, one here, and then one here, like in between those. That's how I did the top part of my hair in the crochets. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all one last row, and then I'm gonna speed it up. And be careful with your edges, y'all, because we need those. Okay. You can also like leave your baby hair out, but I really don't have a lot. I have a little bit, but yeah. I don't leave a lot of mine out because I just like for them to come out as the style gets older. And if it doesn't go through, just take it on out and see what's going on. Do it again. Sometimes this needle is a hassle to work with. But I'm just keeping these clips in here so y'all can see the real. Sometimes you have to start over. But crochet is really, really easy. It's not hard at all. But yeah, excuse how I look in this video, y'all. I might throw on some eyeliner or something when I get done putting the rest of this in. I'm just now getting over a cold, so I don't see how girls get dressed up for every video, because I'm not that girl, not just yet. I do not do my makeup every day. I don't see how some girls do it. Unless like you got a man or something, but still, I still don't even do my makeup every day. This color is super pretty though, like look at it. I definitely have to do something on my face though, so I can take some bomb pictures for the gram. My Instagram and my Facebook is like not working right now. I think it's like an outage or something going on. Hopefully it, you know, powers on back up because I have to upload my stuff. Also, you guys, while I'm talking to y'all, I do have my wig website launched along with my hair growth oils up there. I'm still getting everything, you know, uploaded to the site because I have tons of wigs that I need to get rid of that I've only worn once. So yeah, I'll put that website across the bottom for you guys, and just, you know, shop with your girl, support your girl. If you see a wig on my page that you want, if I haven't already sold it, it will be up there by the end of this week. I've started putting wigs up there already. It's on Shopify, but I have my own domain name. It's tattoocurlsinc.com, okay? So y'all just make sure that y'all shop with your girl. I'm gonna stop talking y'all heads off now and just let y'all finish, you know, watching the video, okay? And I will be back. Product. These are super pretty. The color is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous. They come down to about, let me see, I would say like midway on my stomach. And if you pull them, they're definitely waist length. So yeah, they're a pretty good size. You can wear a half up, half down. You can put jewelry on it if you wanted to. But yes, I am loving these. The color contrast is beautiful. I think next time I do some like colored braids, I might infuse like the light and the dark blonde colors like this, because The colors look so pretty together. But thank you guys for watching. My voice is a little scratchy. I'm getting over a cold, like I said. But yeah, here is the finished product. It did not take me long at all because I already had the crochet pattern in my hair because I do wear a lot of wigs. So I just do the crochet pattern under my wigs and for when I get, you know, crochet hair like this. But once again, here's another close-up. This hair is gorgeous. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up for more and subscribe, of course. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.